Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add Snapchat as a widget on your iPhone. So this only works for iOS 16 and above, and please download it and update your iOS version as it is, okay? So the first thing you wanna do is of course head to the settings because Snapchat requires a little bit of steps. Not unlike any other apps that you can just press it on the home screen and widget. So Snapchat requires a few steps, and while you're in settings over here, you need to look for Snapchat, okay? So that is Snapchat over there. Click on notification options, click allow notifications. Now please take in mind, if you put Snapchat on your widget, anyone can see your lock screen, anyone can see your messages. So that thing being said, making sure that the show preview should click on always, okay? And then notification grouping, make sure this is automatic. Now that's set up, click on Snapchat notification setting over here and wait for it to load up, okay? So we're just heading over to Snapchat notification settings. Make sure everything here is good, everything is green as a cucumber. That being said, if making sure everything is green, I want you to go back to your settings right away. Give it a second over here and look for wallpaper, okay? So wallpaper should be right here, home screen over here, and wallpaper over there. So click add a new wallpaper right there, choose a random one, click add widget, and you should see Snapchat over here now. Okay? So basically, we just wait for it to show up over here and just click it up. And that's how you add Snapchat and widget on your iPhone. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one, okay? Goodbye for now.